Hi guys, Roger back at you from Gateway Cycles. Tax time's right around the corner and I've got a good machine for you here. This is the 2001 Honda Shadow Ace. That's an American Classic Edition 750. V-twin motor on it. Let's do a walk around right quick. This bike is super clean, in great shape. Give you a close up at that Honda V-twin there. Very reliable motor. This bike's already accessorized. We got saddlebags, we got windshield, we got a handlebar bag, we got sissy bars. Really nice machine here, really clean. Looks like we got some Cobra long shot exhaust on here. Lots of chrome. Nice looking machine. If tax time's right around the corner, that also means riding season's right around the corner. Let's take a look at the mileage on this machine here. Looks like we got about 35,000 miles on it. I'm gonna crank this thing up so you guys can hear it here. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Cobra exhaust really livened this thing up. Yeah, she sounds good. Now guys, we got over 200 new and used machines in stock. We offer financing. We have a fully staffed parts and service department. Come on down and see us here in beautiful Mount Sterling, Kentucky, or check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles.com.